Two-time state topper, gold medalist, homemaker, entrepreneur, banker, restaurant owner now. We are not talking about different people. We are talking about just one person, Manju Matthew. Welcome to the show, Manju.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Manju, the show is called a Tiki Talk. Is that okay with you?
Absolutely. I love tikis.
I can give you a love for burgers. I wanted to check that.
I love both.
Okay. Our rides here. Let's just go there. Now you're a successful restaurant owner. But tell us about the 10-year-old Manju. What was your childhood like? Where did you grow up? What was it like?
I had a very loving family. I am the eldest of three. Since my dad was on a transferable job, I've studied in different schools, different colleges. So my childhood was where, I was always on the move.
Were you always meant to be an entrepreneur? Is that the way you were brought up, or was it more traditional? How was it?
My dad had always maintained that girls need to study, but basically education is a qualification wherein, you get married and you settle down. Upbringing was totally traditional.
You were a banker. You spent like a long time in the Middle East. How did a banker from Middle East turn up in Cochin and become a very successful restaurant owner?
I was extremely in the peak of my career. All of a sudden, the global recession happens in 2012 and I'm out of my job. That was a real blow. Maybe my ego was hurt. That is the turning point. That is the moment when I said, if I can put in so much of effort and so much of, my time and commitment for someone else, and then I'm being sacked, why don't I start something of my own?
Was you started making burgers on dosa pan? Is that true?
True.
Tell us more about it. I found that fascinating.
When me and my brother thought about having this burger concept, initially, of course, burgers are grilled and we have to have the equipments and the infrastructure and everything ready at a later stage. But before that, we had to experiment making the burgers. So, which is the best thing to grill a burger? We used,
Will you recommend that for homes? Like you can make burgers on dosa pans?
Never. I only recommend people to come and have at the Burger Junction.
Burger Junction has been rated as one of the best burgers in the world. How did you get here? Like, it's not easy being in that list.
There are a couple of things. First is innovation, quality, and service. Initially, when we started with just 3 burgers. And to have this 3 burgers, people were coming from all over Cochin. What we wanted is to have world-class burgers served to Kerala people. So whatever you find abroad, whatever you find internationally, you will find it in the Burger Junction.
Amazing. All this talk of food is making me hungry. I'm sure you're also hungry.
Yeah, definitely.
So it's customary on Tiki Talk to have a tiki. Are you up for it?
Definitely.
Can we get the tikis, please? Oh, what an amazing journey, right? 4 degrees, banker in Middle East, starting a successful food business, ranking in the top 10 in the world. So what's next for you?
Expand with caution. What we stand for is quality and we don't want to compromise on that. So expansion will be done, but at a much, slower pace.
There are so many young people who will end up hopefully watching this.
Yeah.
Especially a lot of young women. And we have, by the way, 50,000 plus women entrepreneurs on Swiggy.
Right.
It's any message for them on what they can learn from your journey?
If you have the passion to do it, there's nothing stopping you. Just go ahead and do it. It's not, there's nothing called the right age to start a business, or I don't have the experience to start a business, or I'm not from a family background of business. You have the passion, just go.
It was super fun having you on this Tiki Talk. And you know what will make it even better? If you turn the boat towards Cochin and have a burger at your Burger Junction.
Definitely. I totally agree.
All right. Thank you so much.